Hey everyone, Sylvia's here and welcome all to my pay-per-call AI review. So, the new was launched by James Renouf and Dave Espino. This product is going live today. Today is a very special day, the 26th of January. Well, this product goes live at 10 a.m. New York time, so the 26th of January. And it is a special day because it's my birthday as well. Huh, can't believe it. Hitting 40. Looking 20, feeling 10, acting 5. Oh, gosh. Yeah, so cool. I thought I would share it with you. But apart from that, I'm super happy to be bringing this product to you because, well, gosh, where do I start? Obviously, I'll show you everything that you need, guys, to make an educated decision. I'll do my very best to explain what this product is all about. It's really well, let me put it briefly, okay? So let's go to the point straight away. It's about, as the name itself, as the name of the product indicates, pay per call. So you will be getting paid if someone calls your unique number. So it is going to be a number that you will get. Okay, there are programs, many programs out there which run these pay-per-call offers. All right. Now, to give you a bit of a background story, I mean, James is obviously the master here. He has made hundreds of thousands of dollars, okay, with this method, with this marketing method called pay-per-call. And pay-per-call is sort of like a sub-niche of CPA. So CPA is cost per action, okay? So there are companies out there, there are networks out there that are willing to pay you some really good money. It's a huge marketing niche for just a piece of information for them, a zip code, an email, or make people call the number. Okay, so the number would be obviously leading to this network, this company, this whatever. Okay, and essentially it's getting the lead. So you would be sort of like a middleman between the company, okay, and the client, the potential client. And to me, sort of is a sign, because this product is launching on my birthday, and it is a sign to me because I should really take it up myself. And the method these guys lay out to you here in this training course is so much making sense. I mean, I watched the whole training twice with one breath. I was amazed. Okay, because not only do you have a great marketing strategy here, you also guys would leverage the power of AI by making faceless YouTube videos, and the way they present, the way they explain it, the method is really I can easily believe in. I can imagine is very effective, because there's so many, again, programs out there, and they will disclose the platforms that you need to go. They will take you by your hand and through the whole process. They explain what pay-per-call is all about. Yeah, I mean, I can tell from listening to James how he talks about that he's got tons and tons of experience in that. Okay, and they'll take you through the whole process. They'll tell you which platform to go to, how to apply to be accepted, and then even how to create YouTube videos using AI. They'll recommend AI video making software that they use themselves. So it is truly true, and they'll also show you how to set up the videos, the whole YouTube, and the videos, individual videos for best SEO, so for best ranking. And they show you a proof how they basically do it right in front of your eyes, okay? And prove to you that not only do they rank almost like probably number one on YouTube, and then also on Google. Okay, for the specific keywords, they will be targeting leading to that offer. Leading to that offer, and in the video there would be your number, your unique number, a free number, okay, that you would get from those networks. And when people call the number, you would get paid, and the payouts are really, really quite something. And it's a very clever, again, method, because as James and Dave will point out, you want to be targeting sort of niches like emergency situations, like locksmiths. Okay, so people would be looking for numbers, and they're like sort of in this high intent. I mean, the buyer intent will be high, because it would be people sort of like in urgency, desperate situations, and they need the door fixed. They need the roof fixed. So roofers, I mean, all kinds of companies like bankruptcy lawyers, divorce lawyers, garage door. They were talking about garage door companies. And, you know, if people need it fixed, they'll call the number. And if you provide them with the number, then why would they not call? Why would they care where the number comes from? If you make like a professional looking video to go with it and provide some value in that video, and the number is there, do you think people are not going to call? Yes, they will. So that's why it is so smart. And to me, again, is a sign, because I should do it myself, and I will do it. I'm super, super inspired. I mean, I'm so busy doing like this and that and affiliate marketing, but at the same time, I'm thinking to myself, like, I should really put some time aside and do it, because once you set it up, that's it. It's your passive income. And then later, like further down the line, making those AI videos using ChatGPT and the recording the video maker, the AI video maker, takes minutes, okay, of your time. So let's do it, guys. Okay, let's do it. Let me show you all I have here for you. So here is the sales page, and because I have like discussed a lot already, pretty much the system, I have explained the system. I'm not gonna really read through the sales page. I mean, I strongly encourage you to go ahead and read through the sales page. Listen to these guys, Dave and James, okay, because they talk very transparently about this method, and that's what I love, because from the sales page alone, I know what I am getting myself into. I know what this product is all about. They say very clearly and honestly, this is the marketing strategies, pay per call, okay, you would be making AI sort of, you would be making YouTube videos, leveraging the power of AI, and then they go on talking about James's success. I mean, he's truly the master. He's made, again, multiple six figures from this business model. So he's been in the trenches. He walks the talk, and that's the beauty of it. So you would be truly learning from the guy who's been there, done it, got plenty of t-shirts. So the members area is gonna look like that, and do not be put off by the plain look of this membership. It's gonna be delivered to you in a PDF format, but as you can see, you will have over a dozen of, like, around 12-13 videos. Okay, each video is about 7, 8 up to 15 minutes long, okay, 12 minutes long, and they will be all hosted as unlisted on YouTube. So it's really amazing to sort of like follow the thought process as well. And these are guys who, like, I can tell they don't need too much time for preparation to think about it, how to structure this training course, how to talk about it, because it's second nature to them. James is so relaxed, and it's super amazing and inspirational to sort of watch them, how the whole like product creation process and how they go about it. They're just speaking this product into existence and make stuff up, experiment, okay, as they go along. They do it right in front of your puzzled face. Something else, as I said, I watched it twice with one breath, and I'm gonna watch it again because I'm too amazed by it. So good. Okay, guys, here you will click and to upgrade. The funnel is amazing too. I'm gonna show you what upsells you will have. I actually have them all here because I took screenshots. There was not much information available from inside Warrior Plus or JV page, so I thought like let me go ahead and click one by one. I mean, check out all of the offers, and I actually took screenshots of what each upsell OTO comes with. Okay, so here they'll invite you to like a webinar. I did register for the webinar myself. It's gonna take place, I guess, beginning of February, one day, like the 5th or the 6th, something like that. So it's called the Ultimate Pay-Per-Call YouTube Blueprint. Okay, here you can join the AI army. It's like a membership. Okay, all to do with AI. And yes, you will have those videos here. As I said, they're unlisted on YouTube, guys. These are the vendors. This is the method which they, you know, very, again, transparently talk about on the sales page. Here I also have some bonuses for those who decide to pick up this product via the link and make my birthday. Okay, I'm joking. So, I mean, like, that would be so amazing, super cool. But, you know, only if the product is obviously for you and if you liked my review. And then I also give you some just bonuses, which I believe will complement this product. I give you this Tube Celebrity Master Reseller Rise, Zero Cost Traffic Tactics Master Reseller Rise as well, and YouTube channel customization. These bonuses will go hand in hand with the offer because the product is using YouTube as the main source of traffic. We know the second best search engine in the world, right after Google, and YouTube is owned by Google, so you know. Set it up properly with my tutorial, you can do it. And you know, here are the bonuses, the Tube Celebrity, all to do to smash it with, make it with YouTube. And here are some zero cost traffic tactics, so free traffic sources. It's 68 pages PDF, the Tube Celebrities 44 pages, so very valuable. And I was actually chatting with Dave here. I asked him because, you know, I've watched the training course twice, and I was like, I was just wondering, and Dave is so cool, so friendly. I was just wondering also, like, after having watched all of the content, what would be the best way? It's just giving you extra information, guys, because, you know, this is a private conversation, and I'm sure Dave would not mind me disclosing it. Okay. Again, guys, it's coming from me, a person who has watched the training course twice, and one of the vendors is giving me and you also advice on how to best utilize this method. So I was thinking, like, you know, when you set up a YouTube channel, these were my thoughts. Should you make it like this YouTube channel, okay, about one specific niche? Because there are many networks and many offers you can get that unique number for, right? So for a garage door company, for fixing garage doors, or for insurance, or for, I don't know, for locksmiths, or as I mentioned, lawyers, you name it, or for some pet companies. The pet niche is so much in demand these days, right? And I was thinking, like, should I create this AI YouTube channel around one niche, or how do I go about doing that? Okay, and you know, Dave said, like, good questions. For example, I live here and then, since that is the largest city here, I would do a channel called, you know, the name of the city, Home Services, and put all kinds of videos in it about these types of services, like plumbing, air conditioning, garage door repair, etc. So the channel is congruent congruent, excuse me, with the offers. But you could also have a more general channel that just covers all kinds of offers. I do like the local angle a lot more because it is much easier to rank the videos that way. And this is, you know, this is so true because, okay, and then he also says as for the number of videos per offer. I was thinking like, okay, I pick one offer, I want to promote that company or that offer. How many videos do I make around it? And he said like, sky's the limit. He says, I would focus each video on a different keyword search, you see? Phrase to ensure that you're capturing the entire universe of main keywords. So yes, but they do give a lot of advice in this training course how to go about targeting the right keywords and what offers to promote and all of that. And as I said, you will get your free number and it's like your affiliate number. It's like an affiliate link, except people don't have to buy really for you to get paid. It's those networks, those companies are paying for the lead you would provide, okay, for them. And you know, as you will browse from different, like through different offers, you will see they'll have the requirements for you that you will have to meet in order to get paid. And very often this comes down to as little as having the phone, the person who calls them through your number, unique number, for like 30 seconds or something like that. And mind you guys, people who decide to call are people with a high buyer intent. Okay, so that increases the chances of them actually not only buying, but at least staying on the call for those 30 seconds, right? So the method is crazy smart. It is crazy smart, and that's why I am so like savvy here, okay, to go for it myself. So, alright, guys, if that's something you want to check out, the link to the sales page will be right below my review. You will love this method, you will love this training course, and the potential of making a passive income, a simple passive income is there, 1000%. Okay, James, one of the vendors, is the master. He's been making crazy money with this method. So let's be grateful that he is teaching us how to do it. So now we can be little mini James and make those crazy profits. Right, okay, I'm starting to sort of going off the track a little bit, but yeah, super excited about this launch. A splendid offer, guys. Go check it out. Again, the link will be below my review. All right, love you and leave you, and let's enjoy this beautiful day. Bye.